Okay, thank you for coming in today. I want to just go over a couple of things that will make the day hopefully run smoothly for you. There's two tabs up on my desktop when you come into my classroom. After you've watched this video, you'll see the uh, Panther TV tab and you'll see the Schoology tab. During homeroom, simply click on the Panther TV tab, which should be up and ready to go, and click on the Wednesday, May 16th version of Panther TV, and you should be good to rock and roll there. Maximize the screen once you start playing it, and play Panther TV, and the kids will stand for the pledge, etc. Make sure you take attendance as well. And you can pause this now, and I'll have further instructions on what to do once first period class starts after homeroom. And you're ready to start first period. Most of everything that you'll do today with my social studies classes will focus on this Schoology page. You'll see the tab open next to the Panther TV tab, and it'll say Schoology. Open that up, and each of my classes is going to appear under the course tab at the top here. Period 1, period 2. You won't have to do period 3 because Mr. Bushner is running period 3 today, period 5, and period 8. If you open up classroom period 1, you'll see on their feed a listing of things that we're going to be doing in class today. And I've got it listed both in the hard copy of your substitute notes, which should have been on the podium when you come into class today. And I've also got a list of the things that the class will be doing posted on their Schoology feed as kind of a guide for both you and for them. For example, class should read the guide to the essentials, 16.5, A Nation Divides. You can read that aloud with the class. Then afterwards, the students will be viewing each of the 3 video clips, which are posted below in the following order. They should read the Lincoln elected president video clip or view that first, then view secessionitis, and then view April 12th, 1861. Once you're ready to do that, you simply click on the link and it'll open up a tab for you with the film, as you can see. And then just watch it through to its completion. Go back to the Schoology page and then watch the second video link on secessionitis, and so on. After the video clips are played for each class, allow the students time to answer questions 1 and 2 at the bottom of their worksheet that they read at the beginning of class. So you can do this for each of the 4 classes that you're covering today: periods 1, periods 2, periods 5, and periods 8. And each of the classes will have these instructions and the appropriate video links here on the page. So that should help you get through the bulk of the day. If you have any questions or if you're unsure of something, students should be able to help you launch these videos from each of the class pages. Most important thing to remember is, as each class comes in, make sure that you change courses from the top of the Schoology feed from course 1 to course 2, and course 2 to course 5, so on and so on. Any questions, just give me a quick call or a text, and I'll do my best to help you through it.